All interbody fusion surgeries aim to stabilize the spine by helping two bones heal into one. When a disc becomes damaged, it can no longer support normal movement. This often leads to pain or nerve-related symptoms. During fusion, surgeons remove the damaged disc. Removing the disc leaves an unsupported space between bones. To support this space, a cage filled with bone material is placed. The cage holds height and alignment while fusion gradually occurs. Although techniques vary, the core steps remain similar. The surgeon reaches the disc through a chosen pathway. The damaged disc material is removed. The bone surfaces are carefully prepared. The cage is inserted and added support may be used if more stability is needed. Different approaches reach the disc in different ways. Posterior approaches reach the disc from the back. They are useful when nerve pressure must be directly relieved. Anterior approaches reach the spine from the front. They allow placement of larger cages for height restoration. Lateral and oblique approaches reach the disc from the side. They use wide cages that spread load across the bone. Restoring disc height can indirectly relieve nerve pressure. Cage design depends on the approach and spine level. Some cages are straight while others are curved. Certain designs help restore natural spinal curvature. Cages are made from different materials. Some use plastic-like materials that show clearly on imaging. Others use metal materials that encourage bone attachment. In some cases, added support like screws or rods is needed. This is common with weaker bone or multiple levels. Subsidence means the cage sinks into the bone. Approach choice balances anatomy, goals, and safety.